Many people think that installation an automatic car wash system will be very complicated, requiring a long time and a term specialized technician. But in fact, with Go&Go solution, everything can be complete within just one day, from transportation, installation, to testing and operating instruction. Early in the morning, the equipment is transported to the site by specialized vehicle. The entire automatic car wash system is carefully packaged and clearly numbered to ensure quick and neat installation. Not a bulky chain, the system is designed as a fixed frame, easy to install, easy to align, suitable for many different locations, from newly opened shop to garage that want to upgrade to automation. When the equipment arrived, Go&Go technical team began to deploy. The site had been repaired by the customer in advance, according to detailed instruction: flat concrete floor, drain A, electrical system, and adequate water supply. Thanks to the correct preparation, the installation was continuous and quick. The machine frame were erected first. This is the main part of the system, integrating a fixed nozzle system, foam generator, and programmable control mechanism. Because this machine version does not have an underfloor spray and does not have an automatic blower, the overall design is very compact, both saving initial investment costs and easy to maintain later. This simplicity is the big plus for those who want to start quickly and master the model without too much technical experience. After assembling the frame, the technical team proceeded to connect the electrical and plumbing system. At the same time, the foam tank, pressure pump, and control system were installed. In just from 3 to 4 hours, the machine can be tested. A car is placed in the right position. Just press the button. The system automatically starts the washing cycle. Supply water to wet from the whole body. Supply pressure from both sides, and supply again with clean water. Although there is no automatic underbody spraying or drying system, this makes the machine have a reasonable investment cost. Simple operation, easy to entrust new employee. After washing, the employee only needs to use a clean towel to dry the surface or use a traditional hand blower, still ensuring the car is clean and bright and the customer is satisfied. The most important thing is the entire process from the time the technical vehicle arrives until the machine is running smoothly only take 1 day. No need to wait for many days of construction, no need to temporarily stop the permits for a long time. Customer can start doing business almost immediately. The very next day, the shop can receive the first car, starting to create a stable cash flow. The Go&Go system also has an integrated smart programming control panel. The operator only needs to select the mode, press the button, everything is pre-installed. No need for deep technical intervention. The washing machine is stable, does not waste water, save electricity, especially suitable for places with a moderate number of cars and want to create a professional experience for customers. With the full package of support from Go&Go, from consulting, transportation, installation to operating instruction, investors not only save time but also feel secure about the technology and after-sale service. Whether you are new or experienced in the car wash industry, this model can still be deployed easily and effectively. install the machine in one day. Easy operation, reasonable investment. That's how Go&Go is helping hundreds of customers start the automatic car wash model easier, faster, and more professional every day.